Hi, welcome back to another learning session. In this session, we are going to discuss reception and replenishment of material at third-party logistics. Citropac stores fruit pulps for Nestle, which are mainly used in juices and cereals. Citropac only supplies to Sheikhupura factory.
Let's start with getting to know the team involved. Team leader planning, team leader operations, factory supply chain manager, business support staff, and 3PL staff.
3PL receive material from imports and local suppliers where they are stored until required by the factory.
When shipment is received at Citropac, 3PL should receive suppliers document which include certificate of analysis, delivery note, and packing list. If any document is missing, they should communicate to team leader operations, who would communicate the issue to production planner for issue to be resolved as soon as possible.
3PL is responsible for properly unloading the drum at the premise and verifying the stock quantity. Same procedure discussed in lesson 1 must be used, that is 100% unit count, random sample hire of 2% or 2 units, and verifying it against supplier's delivery record.
If the temperature inside the container is not as per requirement or other damages, or there is a difference in quantity or weight, 3PL will inform the team leader operation, who will take it up to production planner and factory supply chain manager for acceptance or rejection of the shipment. Before offloading, 3PL must check the temperature inside the container. Once it is offloaded, material must be stored in the right storage condition till it is required at Nestle's factory. For chilled product, it should be stored at 8 degrees with a tolerance level of 3, and for frozen, it should be stored at -18 with a tolerance level of 3.
Team leader operations must obtain the confirmation of receipt of material at third-party warehouse through email within 24 hours. That confirmation should include temperature inside the container, purchase order number, description of material received, quantity received in each supplying batch,
Manufacturing and expiry date, vehicle checklist, material sampling form, and material condition.
As discussed earlier, here you could see the template used to share information like batch number, expiry and manufacturing date, vehicle and container number. All information are shared on Excel sheet. Vehicle checklist is attached with daily information shared. All stock produced by Citropac will be received in SAP after physical verification of product via visit. Stock received from other suppliers can be received in SAP on Citropac receiving confirmation documents. GR processing steps are explained in details in next chapter. 3PL should also send daily stock report and weekly temperature data to RP staff. After discussing the reception process at Citropac, now let's discuss the replenishment process. It is the movement of inventory from 3PL warehouse to Nestle factory. For Citropac, all pulp movement will take place in reefer containers only. When replenishment to in-house stock is required, RP team should send an email to concerned person at third-party warehouse with the following details: material number and description, quantity required, batch number to send, date when it is required. Citropac is responsible for transporting the pulp to factory if they produce the pulp. For any other pulp stored at 3PL, Nestle is responsible for transportation of consignment. 2 dedicated containers are used for this purpose. Consignment received from third-party warehouse should be considered as normal delivery to factory, and physical material reception process should be carried out in the same manner, that is, quantity, batch, and temperature verification. Once material is physically received, it should be moved in SAP as well. Storage or issuance decision will be taken by RP team as per requirement of the plant. Every batch has to go through QA sampling process in order to ensure right product is released when required for production. Sample drums are moved to factory right after they are GR'd in SAP. Factory warehouse should receive the sample within 2 working days from the date of GR. The target is aligned with QA and is being monitored in DOR. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon with another learning session.
Created using Powtoon.